If you want to change DPI settings on a Realme Note 70T, then we have a couple of ways to do so. For example, you can simply open settings, choose display and brightness, and then over here you should be able to find the display size. And here we can set it to large, standard, and of course small. So this is one of the main ways to adjust the DPI. Now, on the other hand, you can also use developer options in order to customize the DPI even further. So we're gonna go ahead and open, once again, settings. Actually, let's go back to settings. There we go. We're gonna scroll all the way down and go to about phone, then choose version and keep tapping on build number until you need to enter the screen lock password. Once you enter the password, you should be able to see a message at the bottom of the screen saying that you are now a developer. So go back after that and go to System and Update, then Developer Options over here. And now here we need to actually find an option. Let me actually try to locate it. It should be called smallest width or something similar. Yeah, there we go. Here it is. So we're gonna go ahead and choose it, and the bigger the number is over here, the smaller the screen will be. So let's say I'm gonna write 600, and then the screen is super tiny, as you can see over here. Now, as you can see, in some cases, if we enter too big a value, then we can see something like that, like a little crash or something. But we can, of course, try to revert that change and enter a smaller number. So you have to be really careful with these options in order to not crash the launcher. And there we go. It seems that I actually fixed that, perhaps. Yeah, there we go. It seems to be working just fine. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.